Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. I'm very excited today because I want to share you something that is going to be a very important thing because most of people are watching me on my YouTube channel from various languages, like few people is from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. They watch in the Hindi, some person in Urdu, even US, Spain, Japan. There are so many people watched my tutorials, and the barrier was language because there are so many places who don't know the English language. Means most of people or most of students, they are not comfortable. And in 2025 it is going to be 10 year on this channel. I started this channel on September 23 2015, and it is currently 2025. So in September it will be 10 year, and 80 September, just it is my special day. So there I decided on the 23 September to just start this channel. And when I started this channel, so whenever you are going to see the videos, so you can see in the oldest I started with English language, but in my college time my English was really very poor. Now at this point I'm not very expert, but yeah, I am that much capable that anyone can understand me and I can understand. So in my previous time I was just in the college in my BTech, so I was just used to upload the videos from my college as well as any videos. And you can see I had these basic programming thing. There was no any mic, so means that was really you can say not very good. But yeah, at that time there was not very much stuff available related to, you can see, the mic camera. So you can see.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एंड्रॉइड के सेकेंड हिंदी ट्यूटोरियल में आपका बहुत ही स्वागत है।
So at that time when I uploaded my first English video, my teacher scolded me very much. So after that she advised me that I should create the videos in the Hindi. There is no any issue with it. So you can see I
और हम लोग पिछली बार बात कर रहे थे
started the video in Hindi language.
तो बात कर रहे थे JRE जावा रन टाइम इन्वायरमेंट।
Okay, so at that time I was expert on the uh, Android because I was learning in the Android. I was expert in the Java, so I was just sharing. And in my village when I was going there, so I was sharing about the mangoes. And after that, from last 2 years I started creating tutorials in English language, and there are so many audience was very you can say angry with me, but I requested to them that friend, there is a very less audience in the Hindi. Due to this I did not make enough money to continue my journey, and until and unless I have not very good you can say I have created 1.1k videos. And if anybody is going to create per day one videos, you can imagine that how many days it will take somebody to create that kind of tutorial. But I did not get that much success, but it's okay. It inspired me because I love to teach people. I love to share something whatever I have learned. So the good news is today that YouTube have launched something that if I am creating video in English language, so you can convert your audio and see your particular language. Let me show you how it is working. So I got this notification few, you can say, few months back, but currently they have activated this. And currently it is activated on some videos, might be they activate on other videos. Here is they have given the setting, you can see here. So currently I have not any much control, but might be in the future we get on all videos. But currently I saw on this video, so it is active. So let me show you that how it is working. So exactly it is not my voice, but what happening, this is my common sense because I know something about AI. Basically whatever I'm speaking, that is the English, and then this is the English language, so they are using the translator to just convert in any other language like the Google translator. So that is really very good stuff, because that is going to be very good for us, because this is going to for who does not know about the English, so they can see in their local language. So let me show you that how it is working. So first of all, my mother tongue is Hindi language. So let me show you that how it is working with Hindi language. So what you have to do, so you have to just go here. Currently it is English. Large scale it is getting used. So if somebody very big, so it is in English language, and here you have to go here, and then here you can see audio track 9. So currently 9 track is available, and let's suppose we want in Hindi language. So just you can see these are the language it is available. So just click on the Hindi and see the magic.
तो अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा प्रॉपर्टी डीलर इसका उपयोग कर रहा है, और मैं आपसे एक उदाहरण दे रहा हूं कि मैं भारतीय गृह मंत्रालय गया था, मैं भारतीय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मंत्रालय गया था, वीआर स्टफ दिखाने के लिए, जैसे वे अपनी नई बिल्डिंग की योजना बना रहे थे.
You can see it is so much amazing, man. You are able to understand, and it is right. So it is really better. And what can be possible that I started video in the Hindi language and then people can watch in the English. But I think I should choose the English language so that anyone can translate in any language. So I'm not sure that if I'm going to create in Hindi, so it will translate or not. And let me change in the French. Like I don't know about anything about French, but my video will work in the French. So it is a proud
J'ai
moment
donc eu
for me.
l'occasion de créer en réalité virtuelle et de leur montrer ce que je faisais. Je ne peux pas vous montrer ce système ici, mais je peux l'utiliser et vous montrer comment il fonctionne en réalité virtuelle.
You can see, and let me show you another very language, that is the, we can see in Japanese, because there are people who also watch from Japan.
それでは画面を共有しましょう。ここにメタクエスト3があります。それではお見せしましょう。最後に作成方法を説明します。開発者の方は参加して作成方法を
One more
学べる
language,
コースの
that
リン
is
クを
the
貼っておきます。また、ディーラーの方は
Indonesian language, because people also watch from Indonesia.
Jika Anda seorang pedagang, jika Anda ingin membuat sesuatu di VR, Anda dapat menghubungi saya di LinkedIn dan bergabung dengan saluran Discord. Di saluran saya, Anda akan mendapatkan semua.
Spanish language.
Así que no se preocupen. Déjenme mostrarles cómo se ve. Unity no es Unity, es Meta Developer Hub.
So you can see it is really
Básicamente,
amazing. Italian.
Mentalmente questa è la cosa come sviluppatore che sto utilizzando, ma se il cliente lo
In
desidera,
India people call
cosa
it,
possiamo fare come installare l'applicazione dal Google Play Store o dall'App Store? Allo stesso modo c'è uno store.
wow. So you can see how amazing it is. Means AI is rocking us, and I'm very happy with it. Let me know in the comment box what do you think about it, and if you are particularly on these languages, so let me know that this function is going to help you very much. And in Hindi I have seen that it is really better, because you are not going to miss anything. It is proper, so there is no any issue with it. So let me know in the comment box what do you think about it, and thank you so much for your love and support. We will continue much more tutorials here, so don't worry about it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.